IUPAC name of CH₃Cl. Okay, let me count the number of carbon. The number of carbon is here 1. So, and there is no double bond in this compound. So, the parent hydrocarbon is alkane, specifically methane, right? Right, methane. Okay, METH, meth means one carbon. Then, since this is there is no double bond, so this is alkane. From alkane, you have to take ANE. So this, so the parent hydrocarbon is here methane. Then here we have a substituent which is chlorine, but as substituent it will be chloro. So write CHLORO, 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 chloromethane, right? So, and you have to write all these things in a word. There is no space. Chloromethane. Look, this chlorine is in carbon 1, right? So you can say 1 chloromethane, 1 hyphen. If you use number, then you need to use hyphen 1 chloro, CHLORO, chloromethane, METHANE, methane. Okay, so this C is in capital letter. Normally you have to we write the first letter in a word in capital letter, 1 chloromethane, but since there is one carbon here, so we don't write the position of the substituent chloro.